Yeah, this is totally a mess, and not only did he crush it, looks like he broke it. Shoot. I don't know if it's going to be long enough for me to even fix it. Another one of them, Curtis, what you get me into, but here's holes in them now, but it'll still work if I can get it together and straighten that out a little bit. As long as it's even half open, it'll still function. Hey guys, Kapper here. It's May 4th, and I'm over at Curtis's farm since it's kind of on the way to errands and things like that, and we've been getting hammered with rain. Surprise, surprise. So anyways, I got my slop boots on. I'm gonna walk down this trail and see how that culvert pipe is doing, because I'm really, really curious. So let's go check it out. Quick video. I guess my last video was kind of clicky bait, but I was just having some fun. I guess a handful of people were a little bit upset about that, but well, here's the first crossing that I opened up. Let's take a look. So this one, all I did was just scrape an opening with the new excavator, and it's draining. But you know, something like this is going to need a pipe or maybe a bunch of 3-inch gravel or something, because it's going to stay wet. Because when you go through it with tracks, it creates a new wall there, a new dam, and then it gets soft again. Yeah, so anyways, my clickbait video from yesterday. Just having some fun. I mean, come on, life is crummy enough as it is with everything that's going on out in the world. Just having some fun. Okay, it's just around this curve. And geez, I hear water running, man. That's not good. Hopefully it's good, but sounds like a little waterfall. Hopefully it's not toppling right over the top of the crossing. Of course, that would be an epic fail, but yeah, I mean, I hear water running. Oh boy. Well, the watering hole worked. I told you that'd probably fill up with water. So I was gonna open this hole and daylight it, but I figured I know he wants some watering holes, so this will probably fill up, so I'm compacting it the best I can here on the bottom and the edges. Ah, exactly what I said. I hope it ain't doing. It's running over the top. We got another epic fail here. Wow, what happened, man? The pipe just must have clogged up. All right, Curtis, you're gonna have to fork out some cash for a new pipe.
So if you remember when I left, I had this pretty packed down. I had water flow going all the way through the pipe. So my best guess is that pipe was so crushed, and I may have crushed it more with the excavator, that even if some water was flowing through it, it just wasn't enough to handle the water volume. You know, if it was crushed all the way down to where it was only 1 or 2 inches that's letting water go through.
Dang it, I thought for sure that was gonna work. I mean, I don't know, it must have got clogged up. I see these tracks are really pushed down. Curtis, did you drive over this with your tractor when it was supposed to be drying for 2 weeks? That's my question. So a quick update, Curtis just called after I left and told him, dang it, I was hoping to blame it on him, but he didn't drive over it with his tractor. Just the four-wheeler, the side-by-side, which shouldn't have been any problem. So back to the drawing board, another fail. But hey, it was worth a try. Because them tracks are really pretty deep right now, them wheel tracks. I mean, it could have been me from the excavator, but I tried, as I backed off, I kind of smoothened this out a little, but whatever. This will show you how much water comes through little cuts like this. This is back to the drawing board. I'll be back when Curtis gets a couple more pipes. Dang it. That's a disappointment. Oh well, we keep it real here. Hey, at least we got a watering hole. We keep it real here. I guess we'll catch you guys on the next one. If it would quit raining long enough to do something. I mean, now I'm getting behind on my food plots and everything because it rains like 3 days, then it's dry for 2 days. Then it rains for 2 or 3 more, and then it's dry for 2 days. On and on. But we'll catch you on the next one.